All right, welcome back, everybody. We have a very special episode today. This is a California edition of our home improvement video. This is my buddy's house, and their electrical boxes are stored outside here in West Los Angeles and East Los Angeles, sorry. And if you can see here, because of seismic issues, most of their houses are built with wood because it resists seismic forces better than concrete or brick. And it's stuccoed on the outside, and it's got wood framing, and it's just drywall, so it's actually very, very convenient, very easy to work on. So what we're doing is we're tapping into the electrical box, and we're gonna port a 220 circuit into the garage, so that way we can charge the Tesla. All right, more to come. We have the box open. This is a standard 200 amp service, and it's good that we've got a couple slots open, which means we could plug in a new breaker dedicated to the charger. Right now we've got the cover open. We got the legs coming in. Let's see, and it doesn't look like anything is ported through the back of the panel. Everything is ported up through the top in the cavities. So what we could do is break one of these 3/4 inch connections. So as a continuation of our California edition electrical work, we're going to, so we noticed that there's some blocking, kind of wooden blocking behind here, so we don't know if there's free penetration for us to get to the drywall. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the bottom where the ground line comes up, and we're hoping that there's an empty cavity under here that we can kind of tunnel our whip through. We just bought an air conditioner whip, number 8 lines, and gonna mate it with a 40 amp 2-pole breaker. All right, so we have closure from yesterday's installation. This is a new 40 amp breaker we installed here, the number 8 lines. The whip had a lot of wire, and I don't want to see it go to waste, so I just kind of looped it down here. I know we're gonna get a little bit of inductive loss, but whatever. And down here is where we punch the hole, and we put a little bushing to keep the insulation from rubbing against the metal surface. And on the other side, let me go take a picture of the other side. So this is the receiving end of the wall. Well, not the receiving end, the exposure end that provides the 220 and 40 amp service to the charger, to the Tesla, of course. All right, if you have a Tesla and you don't have fast charging, I hope this video helps you. Good luck.